Good morning, everybody. It's NJT Amtrak Guy. Today is May 29th, 2015. I'm back once again for another World Trade Center construction update. Today is a true day in history, as One World Trade Center is now open. The Observatory for One World Trade Center has opened today officially. Truly amazing. After watching this tower get built over the last 3 years, one steel beam at a time, one glass panel at a time, the tower is now completed and is open to the public. Today is truly a day in history. One World Trade Center has come a very long way. Years and years of work, construction, and progress, it is now open to the public. The One World Trade Center Observatory. Over here is Tower 4 World Trade Center. And if you look, we can now see Tower 3 World Trade Center just now starting to pop up. There's 3 World Trade Center. And again, as time progresses, eventually this gap here will be filled, and it will be right next to Tower 4. Today is a really good day. As I said before, today marks history. The One World Trade Center Observatory, now open to the public. Today truly marks history. This tower is a true beauty, and again, like I said before, watching it over the years, one steel beam at a time, one glass panel at a time, it is now open to the public. The One World Trade Center Observatory. Alright, looking at all the progress from here, I'm pretty sure there is a lot to see, so let's go take a look. I'm really excited for this particular update. I'm truly excited. Let's go see what's going on. This is South End Avenue and Liberty Street. Here it is again, One World Trade Center. Now open to the public. There's 3 World Trade Center getting more steel work done and on its way up. Three World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. Very soon they will be standing side by side. And of course, the Freedom Tower. Okay, everybody, this is Liberty Street and West Street. Here again is 3 World Trade Center. A lot of steel work has been put on the podium section. A lot of steel work. A lot of extra steel work has been added, and it's going to the back now. 1 and 7 World Trade Center. Got a lot of window washer guys there. Now all we need is Tower 2 to start. It's all looking amazing. Now all we need is for Tower 2 to start. There's again 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and Tower 7. The window washer guys are heading back up. Here's Tower 3 and 4. It's 1 and 7 World Trade Center. Washington Street. 1, 7, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Greenwich Street.
What's up, big girl? Enjoy your stay. Boy, what's good, baby? Oh, you don't know. So what's good? Out here, baby. We gotta run them down like wolves.